So now students, now let us understand, let us solve this numerical. It's a very easy numerical actually, right? So for an irrigation project, rice requires, so the crop is rice, so rice requires 15 centimeter, 15 centimeter of water for every 10 days. It means that for every 10 days, it is requiring 15 centimeter of water. If the base period is 100 days, the base period is 100 days, then the delta in centimeter would be how much, right? It's a very straightforward question. I told you that delta is the depth of water, depth of irrigation water, which you are providing to a crop for the base period, right? So how much the total depth of water? Now base period is 100 days and you are providing water after every 10 days. It means that I have to provide irrigation water. I have to provide irrigation, just writing irrigation after irrigation for irrigation up to 100 divided by 10, 100 divided by 10, that is 10 times I have to do the irrigation of that particular field. So 10 times I have to do the irrigation, and in a single time I am providing 15 centimeter of water in a single time, right? So delta will be equal to, single time is 15 centimeter and I am providing this irrigation 10 times, right? So the total delta will be equal to 150 centimeter will be the total delta. So 150 centimeter of water has to be applied to that particular field, to the crop, that is rice, for the entire base period, right? The correct answer would be 150 centimeter would be the most appropriate answer. I hope that you have understood this numerical. Now let us move forward and solve one more numerical on the same topic, that is the duty and delta. Let us solve one more numerical on duty and delta. Thank you.